Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Upasana Taneja. Today we have another question from Maths Olympiad and it says Alisa gets on an elevator at third floor, right? They say that she is getting in at third floor and then she goes up seven floors, right? And then goes down 5 floors. Okay. Then they say us how many more floors does she need to go up to reach the 12th floor? Okay. So we will look at the question here. We will start from third floor. She started from third floor, right? Then she goes up 7 floors, right? So 3 plus 7, that means she is on 10th floor now when she goes up, right? Then goes down 5 floors. Then she goes down 5, that means 10 minus 5. Where is she now? She is on 5th floor, right? And then they say, how many more floors does she need to go up to reach the 12th floor, right? See, she is already on 5th floor now, and then now she needs to go on 12th floor. Then how many more floor she needs to go? 12 minus 5, that is 7 floors. So she needs to go 7 floors up to reach on 12th floor, right? This was very simple and easy. The only thing is we need to look at these questions before we go for our exam, right? If you like it, do subscribe to my channel and you can visit my channel for many such questions. And if you like to solve maths riddles, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.